Students, today we are going to see the new unit, fourth unit, matter. Okay, now we do one simple activity. Now I am having a book. Okay, now I keep the book on the table. What do you observe from this? Now the book occupies some space. Occupy some space, isn't it? You see that here in our classroom the blackboard occupy some space, and then the two glasses, plate, the table and that laptop also occupy some space. Understand? What do you understand that here so many things around us, they are occupying some space. Okay, so what is matter? What is matter? Matter means here which things occupy space is called the matter. Okay, in this unit, what is the learning objective? The learning objective is acquire some next acquire knowledge about the matter. Okay, this is the learning objective. Okay, what do you see in the pictures here on here? Water in the liquid state. Water in the liquid state. Next, pizza, solid state. Sand, solid state. Okay, honey, that also the gel like substance. Understand? Next is cereals, they are solid in state. Sugar, flour. Next, tide means what? Blue crystal in shape, crystal shapes. Okay, laundry, detergent. Tide is a detergent powder that is in crystal state. Next, Jello is in the liquid state. Okay, so these are various things. We are using so many things. Okay, in the universe, what do you see in these pictures, ma? This is one experiment. This is one experiment. What we do in the experiment? Just here, water is in the beaker. Water is in the beaker. The water is heated by a lamp. Okay, but the water, when the water at 100 degrees Celsius, water will vaporize. Already we learned that. At that time, the water becomes vapor. So the vapor is the which state? Gaseous state. Vapor is the gaseous state. So matter is present in three important states. What are they? Solid, liquid and gas. Okay? Yes. In the universe, all manifestation phenomena and evolution of life are caused by matter and energy. Isn't it? Next, various objects which exist around us are made of some kind of matter. Three are the very important, and other kinds also present in our surrounding. Understand? Yes, we perceive some of these objects through our senses like sight, touch, hearing, taste and smelling, and sense also. Our senses, what is the sight? Sight, we can see the object, and then we can touch the object, some objects. Hearing, we can hear the voices and other. Suppose a plate will fall down, we hear the voice. That also the one type of object. Okay, one type of matter. Next upon taste, we taste everything, and smelling. Okay, so we perceive some of these subjects. We can perceive through this. Okay, all kinds of matter possess mass and occupy some space. Of course, some are heavy and other are light. Isn't it? Book is heavy, but the water and the substance, this is the salt. Salt is very light. Salt is very light. Okay, this also matter. Okay, thus, what is the definition for that? We can conclude the definition for matter is anything which occupies space or volume and mass. Volume means for liquids, isn't it? Volume and mass can be perceived by our senses. That is matter. That is matter. Okay, you understand? Now I think you understood very well. Now we go to the matter exists in solid state. What is the example for this? Wood, stone, sand, iron. Isn't it? Wood. We can say that the table is made up of wood. Yes. The liquid. The liquid is water. Water is the liquid. Okay, wow. So next is sand, iron or solid. Liquid, water, milk, fruit juice, etc. Gaseous. In the atmosphere, so many gases are present. What is called the air? Mixture of gases are called the air, isn't it? So oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, steam, etc. are gases. Okay. How the matter is composed? What is composed means what? Composed means compact together, molecules, atoms, ions. Already we learned in the 6th standard, 7th standard. But the matter in any physical state is composed of smaller particles. Composed of smaller particles. What are they? Atoms, molecules or ions. Understand? Next, molecules are also made up of atom of same or different kinds. Now, what is an atom? Already we know that atom is the basic unit of all the living things or non-living things. Living things also. I am also a matter because of I am occupying some space. I am doing all the work. You are also a matter. So living things or non-living things made up of atom only. Understand? Made up of atom only. Atoms only the building blocks of matter. Isn't it? Atom is the basic unit of all the living things. So atom are the building blocks. Building blocks means what? Atoms. Two or more atoms combine to further form the molecules. So molecules form together. Molecules and then also molecules also add up, form a matter. Okay. Now we take that solid particle. This is the solid part. So only this is, what is this? Salt. In this salt, only one very small we have taken. We can't see through the naked eye. That is the atom. Okay. Yes. Next, atom is the smallest particle of an element. Okay, which exhibits all the properties of that element. May or may not exist independently. It can work independently, but that want to combine with the other atom. Then only that form the molecules. In an atom, you see this. This is the atomic structure, finalized atomic structure. This is the neutron and protons are present in the nucleus. This is the dense part of the atom. That is in the center part of the atom is called the nucleus. Here neutrons and protons are present. So they are called nucleons. Okay, electrons are surrounding the nucleus in the orbitals. This is the atomic structure. Okay, next molecules. Structure of the molecules. Two molecules, two atom, oxygen molecule. Here two atoms are present. This is one atom, this is one oxygen atom. These two atoms combined together form the oxygen molecule. Here so many atoms combined together. Here also sugar molecule. Very big molecule is the sugar molecule. So many atoms combined together. Innumerable atoms. Okay, innumerable atoms combined together form the big molecule. Okay, so atom of the same element or different element combined to form molecule. A molecule is the smallest particle of a pure substance. Okay, pure means what? Without combine others. That is pure. Okay, element or compound which can exist independently and retain the physical and chemical properties of the substance. One atom combined with the other atom that form the new molecule that is entirely different from the atom. Okay, yes, next. This is, you see this picture, hydrogen atom, oxygen atom, magnesium atom. Understand? Hydrogen, two atom of hydrogen combined with oxygen form the water molecule. Water molecule. Next, Mg. Mg means what? Magnesium. Magnesium. 2 plus ion combined with the oxygen and hydrogen form the magnesium hydroxide. Okay? Yes. Yes. Next, ions. ions. Now we do one simple experiment. This is salt. Okay, now I put some salt into the water. After some time, I stir the glass, I stir the water well. Do you find any smallest particle? No. We can get the clear solution. We can get the clear solution. Okay, but the water is called the salt water. We can taste the water, salt smell water, salt taste only. Okay, but what will happen here? What happening here? The salt is the substance. Salt is a substance that is dissolved in the water, form the ions. Okay, how it is formed means ions. How is ions formed? When the substance dissolved in the water form the ions. Okay, so ions means what? Atoms or group of atoms having charge positive and negative are called the ions. Understand? Here sodium. We take the table salt only. Table salt NaCl is the table salt. So Na plus Cl, chlorine. Here Na is an atom. This Na atom give 2 electrons. So it becomes sodium ion cation. It lost 2 electrons. Understand? In the first orbital 2 electrons. In the second orbital 8 electrons, and then remaining 1 electron is present in the sodium atom. When it is dissolved in the water, it gives 1 atom to the another 1 atom. Understand? So it becomes cation. Next, this is nitrate ion. Here 7 proton, 7 neutron, 3 electrons. It accepts 3 electrons. Understand? That give 1 electron. Sodium give 1 electron. Here nitrogen atom accept 3 electron. Okay, that become nitride ion, Na minus. Okay, so this is the anion. This is the anion. Okay, thank you. Learning algorithms, students understand about the different kinds of matter and the atoms are building blocks of matter. Okay, home activity, draw the mind map for the matter. Thank you, children.